Mijulsz, welcome back to my channel. My old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz. As you know, I'm Julsz time, and over here we have a good time all the time, baby. Forgive me about these hand gestures, I don't know where they even came from. In today's video, we're going to do a quick, short and spicy pregnancy Q&A. We got some questions sent in, so we're just going to go through them nice and quick and just keep it, keep the ball rolling. So the first question we got was, how did you found out and any pregnancy symptoms? So how I found out would be in a completely separate video, right? But did I have any pregnancy symptoms? To be honest, when I actually found out, no, because I was so early along. I didn't really have the whole tender breast or the whole exhaustion feeling. It's further along when I got like a few symptoms, but my symptoms have really been not non-existent, but to be fair, what they explain on the internet, I didn't really experience that, so I haven't really had much symptoms in the beginning. Along my pregnancy, I had like the metallic taste in my mouth. Oh child, that taste is so strong, it will come this week and then by next week it's gone. It will come and go for a while, and then it completely disappeared at like 9 weeks pregnant. And in my head I was thinking, oh my god, is something wrong? Where's this? Why am I not feeling this metallic taste and this metallic taste anymore? But I was completely fine. Other symptoms, my breast would feel tender here and there, but it wasn't consistent. It was like every day I was in pain, or every day I'll be like, ouch. Or like my breasts are completely fine. The real symptom that no one really talks about, maybe because it's a bit too much information, but girl, the discharge that you will be discharging, it's different to your normal discharge. Wow, that right there was a definite wow. Was a definitely, for me, it was different. I wasn't used to seeing all that, so that was one symptom that was like, okay, yeah, that's a lot. But apart from that, I didn't really have much. I wouldn't say, I didn't really have much symptoms, to be honest. Yes, I didn't. So the next, okay, it's not really a question, but the next person said, congrats again, boo. Such a blessing. You're going to be great. Thank you so much. I can't wait to be in the complete motherhood era, with my little one. I'm so excited. And another person, did you record yourself or you just enjoy the moment with hubby? Any symptoms? Didn't get to record myself, find out I was pregnant, which I kind of wish I did now. I found out first, then my mum, then my hubby found out after us, because I didn't want to tell him before the 6-week mark in case something had happened, because I've been telling him, oh yeah, we're expecting. And each time I say we're expecting, something traumatic happens. So yeah, I didn't tell him straight away. The next person said, congrats girl, so happy for you and your baby. I've been watching you guys from Jamaica vlogs. God is good. Big up your nice clean self. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the congrats, girl. So happy for you and hubby. Thank you. That's so sweet. The next person, and the reason why I'm not reading people's names is because I don't know if they want their name to be read. I know some people are a bit like, I don't want my name on the internet, so I'm just keeping it quite neutral. So the next person said, why is this so emotional for you? Now, this question is going to be a very lengthy one to answer, so but due to the length of the answer, I'll have to do it in a separate video. So just stay tuned for that, because I will definitely be answering your question, I promise you. And then she went to send, you have to send me your address so I can send the baby something, which was really cute. So thank you for that. I think I need to double check, because I'm gonna double check if I sent you the address. Well, we have a baby registry, and I will send you the baby registry if I haven't already. I think I have. The next person said, just want to say I'm so very happy for you. God bless your family. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. God bless you too. Thank you for watching. And the next person said, you are glowing. Girl, thank you. I feel like I'm glowing. I feel like I'm in my era. I feel like I'm in that look good phase. You know what I mean? Sexy mama. I'm a sexy mama. And the next person said, what was your reaction on the first kicks or movement of the baby? Right, so the first time, and that's, y'all ain't gonna believe me, but the first time I felt miracle kick, right, I was 12 weeks pregnant. A lot of people be like, that ain't a kid, that's too young. But I'm telling you, I remember it vividly because I had gone to see my friend who had just given birth, and I was 12 weeks pregnant, and on the way back home, me and mum was in the car and we were talking, and I literally felt my belly going. Some might call it a flutter though, so I don't know. But either way, when I felt that, I was like, this is real. Like, this is really happening. I was really excited. I was like, oh my gosh, when next am I gonna feel something like this? I was really over the moon. So I felt my first flutter. I felt my first flutter at 12 weeks, and I didn't feel nothing else, to be honest, until I was 15 weeks. So I was like, oh my god, like, I ain't feeling nothing. What's going on, Miracle? Why have you stopped? But Miracle was completely fine. So 12 weeks the first time, then 15 weeks. And then from 15 weeks, I'll feel Miracle like every other day. And then it got to about maybe 17 weeks when the movements were more regular. But yeah, it was just an emotional time. And you do really feel that much more in love. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm growing a whole human, you know? And the next person says, do you know the gender of Bubba? Sorry. Do you know the gender of Bubba? Do you have any names in mind? Your favourite boy or girl name? So at the moment, we don't know the gender of Bubba. We're literally waiting to give birth to find out the gender of the little one. We'll call it the one Miracle. And we call the little one Miracle. So we'll find out Miracle's gender at birth. We have so many names in mind, but the only thing is though, I can't say the name in case that gender comes and we're using that name. Do you know what I mean? I want the name to be a bit mysterious. We'll obviously reveal the name in due time. So I'm so sorry, my love, we can't reveal much for your question, but in due time everyone will know, including ourselves, what we're having and everything like that. So the next person said, how's your pregnancy been so far? My pregnancy has been absolutely beautiful. When I say beautiful, I mean, if I complain, I'll be so ungrateful to God. My pregnancy has been beyond smooth. I don't think I've ever heard anyone describe pregnancy as being something so smooth. I went into pregnancy feeling like, oh my god, I'm gonna go through it, because you read these things online, you hear from other people's perspective, and you're thinking, shit, that's a lot, you know, because even with back pain, I haven't felt back pain. I've been so active. I still get up, cook, clean, I do whatever I want to do, I still drive. Pregnancy for me has been creme la de creme. And if I follow how I'm feeling right now, I'd have 15 kids. Because it just feels so normal. The only thing now is obviously the Braxton kicks and all those, you know, ligament stretching and things like that. But in terms of feeling like, no, my pregnancy has been I have to thank God. My pregnancy has been beautiful. I can't complain. It's been really lush. The next person, the same person said, but another question, will you show baby's face on social media? Of course, I can't wait to show. Listen, y'all gonna be sick of me. Y'all gonna be like, no, Julsz, like, okay, we know you have a very cute child, that's enough. Listen, child, listen, we're gonna christen Miracle. As Miracle is christened, y'all will know, because y'all gonna see Miracle up online, up on my TikTok, my Instagram, my YouTube. Y'all gonna be like, girl, child, honey. But yes, we will definitely be showing Miracle once Miracle is christened. We are dedicating Miracle back to the Lord, because the Lord is who gave us Miracle in the first place. So yeah, of course, we're gonna be like, This is miracle. This is miracle. Did you have to do anything special to get pregnant? Now, that's a very fascinating question. And it's going to take a whole video to explain. So, my darling, I will definitely answer your question, but in a different video because, honey child, it takes more than laying on your back to get pregnant. I will say that. It takes a lot more. When people are like, oh, you just have sex and get pregnant. I don't believe in that theory. You know what I mean? Because it takes a lot more than that. And that comes to the end of our pregnancy Q&A. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've tried to make it as quick and, you know, not drawn out as I could. Those were honestly all the questions we got as well. So I didn't want to long it out and pretend like I got 15 million questions to answer. Those were the ones that we got. Those were the ones that I answered. And thank you so much for actually commenting or even answering the question. I really appreciate it. Now you know I'm Julsz time, and over here we have a good time all the time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and look out for the next pregnancy related video. Love you, Mijulsz. And as I said, my inboxes are open. I don't think I've said that, but if you've ever gone through any losses or you're trying to conceive, please, if you want to message me, feel free. My inboxes are open. I'm always here to help, always here to share a good word. And yeah, I will see you shortly. Bye, Mijulsz!